Hi everyone, my name is Tina, and I am from TSR Creations. Today I'm going to show you how I mix my paints for pouring. So this is what you need. You need Floetrol or some other kind of pouring medium. I prefer Floetrol. I've tried the more expensive ones and I just don't see the benefit. So I get Floetrol from Lowe's or Home Depot. It's like $14.95, something like that. I have my funnel to pour them, because I pour them straight into my squeeze bottles. And I mix them right in the bottles. And I keep them like that, and I've had paints for months, so they last. They may need to add like a little water to thin them out a little bit, but they're fine. You also need to strain your Floetrol. So I have this little strainer that I got from the dollar store, and I strain it right into a cup, and I have some here already done. Going to mix 3 paints for you today. Different brands. This one is golden, and these are, I'm going to butcher this name, Acrylic blue. I'm sure I'll get some messages on that. Anthracquilone. Okay. Anyway, it's golden artist colors, and these are professional paints, and they're thicker, heavy-bodied, and they're going to take a little bit more water and Floetrol. But the colors are beautiful. They're a little bit expensive. I have Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green, and this I've got all these. Everything I've got here is from Michael's, except for the Floetrol. This is Liquitex Basics, and then I have Artist Loft, and that's a Michael's brand, and that's the Ultramarine Blue. So these are the 3 colors I'm going to do today. Alright, and let's start by putting this on the side here, because I'm not going to need these right now, because like I said, I already strained my Floetrol, because you get like boogers and clumps in there, and you don't want that in your paints. And my water, and you're going to need your water, and I just have this water bottle. So I just got these 8-ounce squeeze bottles, some new ones, because I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of paints, as you can see over here. And these are 8 ounce, and I got these from Amazon. So I'm just going to open it up, get my strainer. Oh no, I don't need the strainer yet, I'm sorry. I'm going to put the paint in. So let's start with this one. Whoop. The Bright Aqua Green. So I'm just going to take this, and you can hear my cat crying out there. Alright, so I'm just going to put this. I use most of it. It's about 2 ounces. So I mix my paints 1-to-1 with Floetrol, and then just add the water as needed. So let me make sure I get everything out. You don't want to waste paint, because you waste enough when you're pouring. Right. So there's like probably about 4 ounces in here, right? Like that tube of paint is 4 ounces. Okay. Let's put your strainer on. Got my Floetrol already strained, and I'm going to put in about 4 ounces. Now these are 8-ounce bottles. It's a little less. Okay. I don't really like to flow it all the way up to the top. I'm used to using bigger bottles. So I can already tell this is going to be a little thick. And I filled it up a little too high. So the next one I'll show you the way you're supposed to do it. Because again, these are 8 ounce. So you probably just want to do maybe 2 ounces of paint, maybe 3. I did a little too much. All right. So I'm just going to test it because you're going to get Floetrol up in here. So it's a little thick. So we'll add a little water. Make sure you cover the top and shake it again. And that's just about right. Again, I'll add, if you feel like it's too thick, I will add, and then I'll label the bottle with the name of the paint and the color. Okay. So let's do this bad boy. All right. Oh boy. Now this one, I'm just going to do 2 ounces of paint. This tube is about that. Okay. Now this is expensive paint, so I'm trying to get everything out of it. There we go. There we go. This is like one of my favorite colors. Don't buy it. Don't have that much of it because it's too expensive. All right, so we got 2 ounces. And then I'm going to do, get my bottle, do 2 ounces. Go up to the 4. And this is like a really deep navy, however you say it, and oh my gosh, that's terrible. But okay, and this is definitely going to need water because, like I said, this is a heavy body paint. So a good amount of water and shake it. So, and then I'll label that one. Next is the Ultramarine Blue by Artist Loft. This one, okay, I'm going to take the top off, and we're going to, this is a 4 ounce, so I'm going to sum it about half the tube. It's about half. Floetrol. That's about all I have. Okay. Good. Chop on, shake it up. So that's pretty much it. It's easy. This one, I always put a little water on this one too. Perfect. All right. So that's how I mix my paints. We got 3 different kinds of paints mixed, and you just add water to get to the consistency you like, depending on what your project is. Okay, so that's going to be it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I will link all of these products down below. And if you have any questions, comment, and I'll try to answer you as best I can. That's about about it, and have a nice day. And please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you more videos. I have some really good ideas, and it'll be fun. All right, bye-bye.